Testing, testing. Testing. Okay, I can be heard. Test, test, test. Hello, you hao. What did you say, huh? Am I lagging? Just now I said test a few times because I was testing the audio. I should sound fine now. You're asking the important questions, right? Yes, we have Kahoot today. You see the sticker at the top, the stay tuned for giveaway. Yeah, that means there's Kahoot. Celebrating already. Celebrating in advance. How are you our student? Oh, you are, okay. Oh, you're from Tiong Bahru. Okay, I just went there a few days back. Last week, last week. I see a familiar name also liking the live. JSSYY, is it? Hello, for those of you who are passing by, we are having our Primary 5 math paper, okay? We'll be starting at 7 p.m. sharp. That's a very good question. Because the usual ones who are chatting not here yet. I'm looking at the names and the usual few are not here yet. Oh, I see another familiar name joining. Jamil. I remember you have a different name, but I don't remember what's the other name you told me. Hello, Zero Chen. Hi, Jamil. What was the name you told me? Oh, Sushi Monster is here. Hello. Hi, hi. Do you know what's my name? I remember you told me before there were a few names, but one of the names I remember is Abigail, but I can't remember whether that is you or not. Yes, today there is Kahoot. Hi, Janet. Hi, Yvette. Oh, you are Abigail. Okay, so I did get the name right. Very good. Not bad. I managed to remember Jamil is Abigail. I don't think I'll remember the rest though. There was this one live that we had. There were so many people with usernames different from the real names, and you all got me to try and remember all the names. Yes, Abigail, there's Kahoot today. Oh, I see a new name. I'm not sure whether is it a full name? Hang Zesen? Yes, hello. Like cheese? What do you mean like cheese? Oh, okay. Hang Zesen is correct. Okay. We have 1 more minute before we start. Oh. Oh, Yuhao is saying your nickname. Is your name not just Yuhao? Or is there also a secret other name that I don't know about? I have been calling you Yuhao for the past few sessions. Yes, yes, Yuhao. Sure, you can use the calculator. But for section A and B, it will be good if you don't. Hi, Gala. We just make it a good habit not to use calculators for section A and B. Anyway, for PSLE, you can't use it. So there's no point in using it for section A and B now. You can't use it next time anyway. Okay, 10 more seconds and we'll begin. Today is Tuesday. Oh, yesterday you had a holiday in lieu, right? Hari Raya Puasa holiday. We couldn't use for WA Sushi Monster, yeah. Usually your school shouldn't let you use it for section A and B. Okay, yes, time's up. You are right. I'm going to close the timer. I'm going to close everything so that y'all can see my screen. Okay, can see, right? Okay, now let's begin. Okay. Section A. Oh, hello, Kim. Yes, today is the first day of school. Twinkle. Abigail's eating dinner. I'll only be eating dinner after the live. How many of you have already eaten dinner? Abigail is eating dinner right now. Haram already eaten dinner. Okay. Sushi Monster just finished. JSSYY also finished. CSM is giving me the answer. Okay. Hang Zesen ate already. Janet also eating now. So you guys are sitting in front of your phones and just eating while watching me. Madina not yet. Okay. Eating after the live too. Okay. A few of us are having dinner after the live. Okay. So let's make sure to end at 8 p.m. sharp so that we can go have dinner. Okay, so a few of you gave me the answer for option one, not option one. For question one already, Yu Hao, who else? CSM, oh, Job Pub, Job Pub, Janet, Jamil. Okay. Oh, Kin is also eating now. Okay. What is the value of the digit 8 in 8,073,645? Yes, the answer. Definitely 4. Good. Okay, this is quite easy. The digit over 8 here is 8 million. Okay, and 8 million is just 8 with 6 zeros at the back. Okay, so answer is option 4. Very good. Okay, so this kind of question is a giveaway question. Okay, please do not get your value wrong. Okay, what if I ask you what is the place value? What if I say place value? Can y'all tell me what is the answer? If I change value and I say what is the place value of the digit 8? Let me see if you guys recognize what place value is. Oh, hi Jacob. You said you'll come. Hi. Very good. Okay. Let me ask you, is it million or is it millions? Okay, Yvette, good. With S, wonderful. Okay, the answer should be with S. Okay, place value comes with S. Very good. Okay, please do not get it mixed up. When you are spelling 8 million, we spell no S. But when we are writing our place value, please remember our S. So like tens, ones, hundreds, okay? They should come with S. So correct answer come with S, okay? So please take it down if you didn't get it right. Okay, now let's move on to question number 2. Okay, question number 2, you can see that they don't come with S anymore. See? Million, thousand, 10. There's no S because this is not place value. We're just spelling out our numeral. So what is 4,016,010 in numerals? Okay, very good. We see a lot of 33333. Very good. Answer is correct. It is option 3. 4 million. Okay, 16,000 and 10. Okay, I just add all of them together. I'm going to get option 3, 4,016,000. Okay, 4,016,010. Option 3. Oh, so many of you are giving me 3. Win asked whether there's Kahoot today. Yes, there is Kahoot. Okay, a lot of you gave me option 3. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to question 3. 500,000 plus 1,000 plus 309. The final answer gives us. Okay, wait, let me scroll and read to see who has answered. Yu Hao said, Yu Hao, Hang Zesen, Janet says 2. Jap Pap says, oh, option 2 also, you just typed it out. Okay, Abigail, Madina, Sushi Monster, Keen, Connie. Oh, hi Connie. Yvette, JSSYY, CSM also. Madina is very cute, like to say definitely. Okay, Win also spamming 2. Hello, Guo Hui. Guo Hui also says 2. Very good. Answer is option 2. Okay, ding. Option 2 is the correct answer. Add them all up, you get 500 and 1,309. Great. Oh, I see a few new names. Oh, Mayat is here. Hello. And then there's GK Fen. Hello. Okay, now let's move on to question 4. Find the product of 7 over 4 and 2 over 3. Okay, hi Evelyn. Okay, Evelyn also said option 2. Great. Question number 4, can I ask you, what does the word product mean before we go through the answer? I see option 2 and I also see option 3. Okay, let me see who is the first person. Who was the first person to respond? Win was the first one to say times, then Sushi Monster, Twinkle, 6 to the power of 7. Madina also, Guo Hui also. Oh, Yvette asked, do we use cross cancellation? Yes, you are right. Okay, so product means times. Well done. So Yvette asked, do we use cross cancellation, right? And the answer is yes. So 7 over 4 multiplied by 2 out of 3. So can you see that cross cancellation means 7 and 3, 4 and 2. Okay, 4 and 2 can be simplified. It can be simplified to 2 and 1. Can 7 and 3 be simplified? Yes, Janet is correct. Cancel 4 and 2 only. Okay. Oh, Sushi Monster say I can also do top and bottom. Yeah, I can multiply the top and bottom. I can show you the steps later. Okay, so 7 and 3 cannot. So I will continue from here. Now, 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 3 is 6. And then I turn it into a mixed number because improper is not the simplest form. Okay, so 1 whole and 1 out of 6. Very good. I see Keen saying 7 over 6 equals 1 whole and 1 out of 6. Sushi Monster say I can also do top and bottom, which is correct. Okay, let me shift this away for a while. Okay, and let's do Sushi Monster's method. Sushi Monster say 7 over 4 times 2 over 3. I don't simplify and I just multiply. So means I do this. 7 times 2 and then 4 times 3. Okay, I will get 14 over 12. Okay, the answer is the same because I can simplify, divide both by 2. So I get 7 is to 6 and then it's still 1 whole 1 6. Okay, so two different. Win say in worksheet cannot shift. Yes, that's why in your worksheet you just choose one method. Okay, whichever method is most comfortable to you. Okay, personally I like doing cross cancellation because cross cancellation means you can skip this division step because I already divide when I cancel. Okay, it's easier to me. So answer, all of you gave, most of you gave me option 3. Very well done. Okay, someone's asking, can we see a next answer? Easy. Which one easy? You mean question 4 easy or question 5 easy, Hamson? Or both easy? Or question 4 is easy. That's good. Okay, then let's look at your answers for question 3. We have option 3 and I see option 4. Wow, 19 very effort. 19 is writing out all the steps for me. Abigail say all easy. Yvette say question 5 is option 1. So we got option 1, we got option 3. I also see option 4. Okay. Oh, Yvette recognizes her mistake already. She says she forget the times 3. Okay, good. So most of you gave me option 3, which is the correct one. So let's go through. There are 136 students in a school. 38 of them wear spectacles. Okay, so we know this them is the 136 students, correct? Because this is the them, all of the students in school. The question asks, how many students wear spectacles? So remember, when we are doing fractions, this of represents times. So it is 3, 8 times 136. And then I can just put it out of 1. Okay, if not, I cannot do. Okay, Janet is also giving us a step. Very good. I can cancel 8 and 36. 8 and 136. And then 8 is 1, 136 is 17. Very good, Janet. Maya say it's easy. Okay, then we get 3 times 17 is 51. 1 times 1 is 1. So answer is just 51. Okay. Yes, that's what we're doing. Oh, and then HF. Oh, hello, HFY. I haven't seen your name today. I use unitary method. Yes, that's what 19 did. One of our users called 19. Okay, if you want to do the unit method, you can. So, for example, 8 of them wear spectacles. So, you know 8 units is 136 students because the fraction represents the denominator in the fraction represents the total. So, I can now find 1 unit, which is 136 divided by 8, which gives 17. Huh, have you heard of the highlighter? I do 1386 divided by 8, answer times 3. Oh, you just came back from tuition. Okay, then here times 3, because there are 3 units of students who wear spectacles, that gives us 51. Okay, can you see? Whether you do the fraction method, fraction of a set, or you do the unitary method, okay, both gives you 51. Yeah, 19 say I don't know he or she, okay, 19 say they prefer unitary method, but it doesn't matter. Whether you do fraction or you do unitary method, you will both get the marks. Okay, so answer is option 3 is correct. The edible one, what are you talking about? Edible highlighter? Hi Ting. Hi Keely. I'm a bit confused by the chat. There's edible highlighters. I hope it's not a real highlighter. Okay, let's move on. I have no idea what you guys are talking about. Okay, let's move on to section B. Okay, 6A, express 2 over 9 as a decimal. Okay, correct your answers to 2 decimal places. How do we do 6A? You cannot change 9 to 10 or 100 or 1000. So you have to do 2 divided by 9. I'm reading Yvette's comment. Thank you. Oh, I see two different answers. I see 0.22. I see 4.50. And then just now I read Yvette's comment, right? You cannot change 9 to 10, 100, or 1,000, which is correct. Whenever we want to express something as a decimal, our first way to go is to either make it out of 10, out of 100, or out of 1,000. But since 9 cannot do any of it, right? So just now Yvette suggested we need to do something else. Okay, good. Most of you put 0.22. The correct answer is 0.22. Okay? I just want to let you all know that you guys are correct. Okay, now we can go through. So since no 10, no 100, no 1,000, then we need to do long division. Okay, yay! Those who get 0.22, you're correct. Long division, 2 divided by 9. Okay, not 9 divided by 2, 2 divided by 9. If I do long division, you're going to end up with 0.222. Remember to stop at 3 decimal places so that you can round off. Okay, round off to, we round down, so we get 0.22. Okay, answer 0.22. Easy. 392. Wait, what is 39? Oh, Kin is giving me the next answer. Twinkle, is anybody even saying the number? Okay, let's just ignore all the brain rot, okay? Kin gave me the answer to the next question. Who else? Yu Hao also gave me the answer to the next question. Oh, there are. Okay, then let's just ignore, okay? Ignore. Okay. B express 3.36 as a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, as a fraction, let us share our answer first. I only see Kin and Yu Hao share their answers. How about the rest? What's the answer for 6B? Okay, Grace also answered. Sushi Monster, you got careless mistake. The numerator is not 17. You try again. Hang Zesen, oh, got 25 holes. Hang Zesen, the answer also not correct. 3 out of, Win only got 3 out of 12. Okay, let's see. Yvette, Bob, Kaylee, Molly, Jap, Pap, Janet. Okay, good. 3 holes. 9 out of 25 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, to turn our decimal here into fraction, can you see that there are 2 decimal places? 2 decimal places. So means it must be out of. Can you tell me what is it out of 2 decimal places? Out of 10, out of 100, or out of 1,000? Thank you. Okay, HFY, Giselle, Sushi Monster, Yvette, Jacob, and Wei Ying. It's out of 100. Wonderful. So if it's out of 100, I know these 3 holes. 36 out of 100. Remember, holes stay whole, whether is it in decimals or whether is it in fraction. Okay, they don't suddenly turn into fractions also, okay? They still stay as whole. 36 out of 100 is not the simplest form. So we can divide both sides by. Good job, y'all, Twinkle says. Okay, we divide both sides by. Janet is the first one to answer. 4. Okay, wonderful. We divide both sides by 4. We get 3 holes. 9 out of 25. Okay, Jacob also say 4. Yes, Hang Zesen realizes you made a mistake. Okay, so I hope you found out which step is the mistake. Okay, hi Sherlyn. Okay, you have moving on to the next question already. Okay, so part B is 3 holes and 9 out of 25. All right. Now let's move on to question 7. The length of a rectangular field is 12 meters. and the breadth is 7/5 meters. Find the area of the field and express your answer as a mixed number in the simplest form. Okay, so I'll wait for you all to answer first. Remember, the keyword here is mixed number. Okay, so this means the answer shouldn't be a decimal, okay? The answer also shouldn't be an improper fraction. It needs to be mixed number. Okay, I see 16 holes and 4/5. 16 holes, 4/5. Okay, why got 90? Jacob asked, is it just him or is the mic distorted? How about the rest? Is the mic distorted for you guys? Okay, Ting says 16 hole. It's a bit. Maybe I need to hold it. Every time I put it on my sleeve collar, it seems to not work. Okay. Or for Janet, it's fine. For Shirley, also fine. But for Yvette, a bit. Okay. For Blogger, says a bit laggy. Okay, then I'll just hold it. Okay. Experiencing the fourth dimension. Okay, I see when wait let's see. I see a lot of 16 holes and 4/5. Okay, let's find the area of the field. Okay, the area of any figure is length times breadth. Okay, so means all I need to do is to take the length 12, make sure to turn it into a fraction. If not, you can't multiply. And then I times the breadth, which is an improper fraction. Okay, this one has nothing to simplify, so we can just multiply. 12 times 7 gives us 84. 1 times 5 is just 5. So 84/5 in mixed number is? Let me look at the comment. It's okay now. Too loud? Okay. Maybe I hold a bit further. 16 holes for fifth. Very good. Okay, 16 holes for fifth. Okay, my bad. The answer the answer line is on the next page over here. Okay, so I'm just going to write on top, okay? 16 holes for fifth. This is in meters, so it's square meters. Okay, thank you, 19. Okay. So happy. Why is Yuhao happy? Or because the question is correct or what? Easy. Ribbon. A bow says it's easy. Are you? Are you a primary 5 student? Are you a primary 5 student, Bo? There's a user here with a bow. Are you a primary 5 student? Madina is, Mayat is, Hang Zesen is. Yuhao has been here for a really long time. Oh, you are, okay. Yeah, Sushi Monster also not. Grace, yes. Ting, no. Keely, yes. CSM, yes. Okay, now let's move on to question 8. Okay, Mr. Lee wrote an equation on the whiteboard. 3 boys, Ali, Ben, and Camden, they added brackets to form new equations. Okay, so look at the original one and then look at Ali, Camden, and Ben. Ali added bracket here. Camden added a bracket here. Ben added a bracket here. Okay, so the question asks, who gives the smallest answer? Okay, and what is the answer to his equation? Okay, yeah, why is Jamil angry? What happened? I need to scroll back and see. She was angry. What happened? Before answer. Just now answer. Oh, you're angry at the answer just now. Oh, okay. Oh, because the answer is wrong, so she's upset. Oh, okay. Then I think I understand why. Because Yuhao was celebrating, right? So Abigail decided to put angry emojis. It's okay. Oh, Sherlyn asked, why is this so hard? You mean order of operations? Order of operations, let's go through our steps. When doing order of operations, what's the first step? First step for order of operations is? Bracket. Very good, Kazuha fan. Bracket. So you're a fan. Okay, next one. Multiply or divide. Connie, thank you. Multiply or divide. Then next one. Then plus or minus. Thank you, 19. Plus or minus. Okay. And then now can you all give me your answers? What are the red upside down question marks? Yeah, I'm not sure also. When I did the worksheet, there were no question marks. And now that I'm looking at the worksheet, all the question marks have appeared. I'm not sure why. Let's just ignore all of the question marks, okay? I mean, when I'm typing the worksheet, I wouldn't have added question marks out of nowhere, right? I don't know why they're like that. Okay, let's see. Jamil says Ali 44. Algebra? No, Madina. No algebra. So I'm not sure why the question mark is there. Oh, you skip it because of all the question mark. Oh, okay, just ignore them. I'm gonna use a white pen to erase all the question marks, okay? Can you see me? I'm erasing it all, or rather just covering it so y'all can read the question here in peace. There. Okay, no PSLE thing. I'm not sure where the question mark came from. Bob say Ali also. Okay, let's go through. Okay, let's do Ali first then, since you all say Ali is the smallest. So let's start from Ali. Okay, let's copy down Ali's equation. 84 minus 36 divided by 3 plus 6 times 5. Okay, which should come first? We already know it's the brackets first, right? So brackets should come first. Remember to copy everything down before you move on. So 84 minus 36 divided by... Yes, I'm talking, Jia Hao. Yes, Yvette, there's the Auntie Sally method. Some of you in school, you might be doing BODMAS. Some of you in school might be doing PADMAS, but they all mean the same thing. It is still the same, the same steps. Bracket should always come first, then times divide, then plus minus. 3 plus 6 is 9, then times 5. Now, can y'all tell me what should come first? I got Taylor Swift one. Where did it come from? Okay, what should come next now? Oh, good. 19 say 84 minus 4 times 5. So this, he's saying that 36 divided by 9 should come next. Good. So 84 minus 36 divided by 9 is 4. Then we times 5. Now this one is the easy one, so I'm not going to ask. We know multiplication must come first before subtraction. So it's 84 minus 20, which is 64. Now that Ali got 64, do y'all still think Ali got the smallest answer? Yes, Kazuha, the answer is 64. Is Ali the smallest? 19 say we don't. Madina's doing the question mark, the upside down question mark, like the question. Okay, I'm gonna now try Camden. Okay, so I'm gonna use pink for Camden. Okay, so 84 minus 36 divided by 3 plus 6 times 5. And we all know brackets must come first, so I'm gonna start with the brackets. Then 84 minus 36 divided by 3 plus 6 times 5 is 30. Now can you all tell me what comes next? Teacher, go to the left, please. There. Want to see my face, is it? But if I go to the left, you can see my pig at the back. 36 divided by 3. Madina, very good. 36 divided by 3 is next. Okay, so now we have 84 minus 12 because 36. Oh, you mean the worksheet go to the left? I thought me go to the left. Ah, if I go to... Okay, now I'll make it smaller. There. Okay, now Do we do subtraction first or addition first? Somebody asked, is it 102? Yes, 102. Very good. Okay, those who get 102, you are correct. We do subtraction first because from the left side. Okay, good. Bo and Sushi Monster, Keen also say minus and subtraction. Well done. So we have 72. Wrong color. 72 plus 30, which is 102. So Camden is done. Left to right, Jacob. Very good. Wei Yin also say subtraction. So answer is 102 for Camden. And now I'm going to move on to the last person, Ben. Okay, I'm going to use green for Ben. Okay, Ben, the equation is 84 minus 36 divided by 3 plus 6 times 5. Sorry, a bit small, okay, a bit tight. Okay, so let's do our brackets first. I'm sure everyone by now know already. Bracket must come first. 84 minus 36, what answer do we get? Yes, those who get 46, you are correct. Okay, what's 84 minus 36? If you cannot hear, you can quit your TikTok and come back in because I think the others can hear. Okay, I'm gonna get 48. Okay, and then 48 divided by 3 plus 6 times 5. Now division come first because left to right. Then we are left with 16 plus 6 times 5. Okay, multiplication must come first before addition. So we are left with 16 plus 30, which is 46. Okay, Ben. Very good. Why is he called Bob when he's Ben, huh? I don't know. Wait, who is Bob? There's no Bob in the question. Okay, so Ali, Camden, Ben. It's very obvious who is the least now, right? It is Ben who is the least. Wait, where did Bob come from in the question? Why everybody call him Bob? Why everybody call him Bob? Okay, so the question, the boy is Ben, and the answer is 46. There's no Bob. He's Ben. Okay? The worksheet says Ben what? Correct. You see this part of the worksheet at the top is Ben. You see the worksheet at the bottom here, still Ben. It's okay. Bob the Builder, sure. Okay, so our correct answer, Ben. Okay, I know this one has quite a lot of workings to do. Your worksheet is Bob? Ben 10. Oh, you guys know about Ben 10. Okay, interesting. Ben 46, Grace, you are right. Okay, question 9 is the one that I think is the trickiest out of the whole paper. I'm curious to know what your answer is. Sushi Monster say worksheet so neat, thank you. I think part of the reason why it can be neat is because I can zoom in and zoom out when I write. When it's on a piece of paper, you can't do that, right? So it's a bit messier. Bobby K-pop Demon Hunters. Oh, 19 say I had this in my WA before. Okay. Interesting. Okay, let's see your different answers. Okay, I'm curious to know your answer for question 9. Okay, Jap Pup say 60. I want to write down so that we can see who's correct. Okay, we got 60. Who else attempted this question? Madina say looks hard. Okay. Somebody asked who is Ben 10. Ben 10 is a character in a cartoon. Okay. 19 say, but I got oh, you got this question wrong when you did it last time. Somebody says 31. Okay. Evelyn says 31. Madina say it looks difficult. KYZ also say 31. Molly says 60. Bo say don't understand. Abigail say she like to eat chocolate chip cookie. When is break time? We don't have a break. This is quite short. It's only 1 hour. Okay, Mayat say forgot. We got 10 also. Okay. Oh, I think Abigail put 10 because they asked the smallest possible value and because it's 2 digit, right? So you put 10. Ting say algebra or assumption. This is primary 5 math, so we do not do algebra. Okay, and we can't do assumption because there are 3 cards. Assumption is only for 2 things. Sure, why the question so long? Because they want to give you as many clues as you can. Jacob asked whether there's Kahoot. Yes. Okay, any more? Any more answers? Yes, Madina, we haven't learned algebra in primary 5. Don't worry about it. I'm not telling you whether you're correct or not until we reach the end. Okay, but I must say, one of the answers here is correct. Jia Hao asked when's Kahoot. Kahoot is around 7:50. Okay, sure, I did. Wait, what did you do? I did what? Twinkle say, sure, I did. I did what? Wait, is this for P5? Yes, Blurgle, it's P5. 31. I focus on this question. Okay, now let's go through. Okay, I told you already. One of the options here is correct. There is a correct answer here. Okay, no guessing. Okay. All right, now let's go through. Okay, I'll read the question and then I'll break it down and then we will find the answer. The diagram below shows 3 cards A, B, C. Every card has a different 2-digit number and they have been arranged in increasing order from left to right. Okay, so the sum of B and C is 140. The sum of A and B is 100. What is the smallest possible value of card A? So this question actually not too difficult. For A to be the smallest, what should B be? Okay, can you all try? For A to be the smallest, B should? What should B be? Correct. Make you do it for 30 minutes. Or Rian say B need to be average. No. B should be as big as it can be. Correct? Okay, so B should be greatest. Okay, but can B be smaller than can B be bigger than C? For example, can I say B is 90, A is 10? Can I say that? Cannot, because C must be even bigger. Then C must be what? 91. 90 and 91 will not add up to 140. Thank you, 19. 19 say it must be smaller than C. You are right, but smaller than C. Okay, B should be the greatest, but it still needs to be smaller than C. So for it to just be smaller than C, but still add up to 140, I need to take 140 divided by 2 first. Why? I want to find out the number exactly in the middle. Okay, 140 divided by 2 is 70. So this means, can I put 70 and 70? Can I do this? 70, 70? No, very good. Because they need to be increasing order, remember? So this means cannot be 70. Then it shall be 69. Okay, and the other one shall be 71. Okay, this way B is the greatest it can be already, 69. Because 70 is not possible, so it shall be 69. And then we found our answer already. Now we can just find what's A. A is just 100 minus B, so it's 100 minus 69. And that gives us 31. Okay, so all of you who answered 31, you are correct. Okay, so 31 is the correct answer. Okay, let's go. Those who get 31. I remember Rian and wait, who is the person? I need to go back and scroll. KYZ. Oh, Yuhao also got 31. Very good. Okay, so now let's move on to section C. Emmanuel had 3.78 meters of ribbon. He used 102 cm of it to tie a parcel. And then he cut another 4 pieces of ribbon, each 33 centimeters long, to wrap some presents. Part A asks, how much string did he have left? Leave your answer in meters. Can you all give me your answer? All the angry faces again. Yes, section C, you can use your calculator. You are not Rian, you are her son. Okay, Rian's son. Hang Zhe say 1.44. You have a kindergarten friend called Emmanuel. Good to know. Whoa, so long, Jamie. 66.78. Oh, Abigail, sorry, I mean. Oh, Abigail, is it because you forget there are 4 pieces of ribbon? You only did one? Jacob! No more guessing. This is P5 math, Jacob. You don't need to guess. Okay, good. 1.44 meter is the correct answer. Okay, 1.44. 3. Since all of them are in centimeters, it's easier to change this to centimeters first. Then later we change back to meter, okay? So 3.78 meter is 378 cm. It's easier to subtract whole numbers. That's why we do that. So 378 cm minus 102. And there are 4 pieces of 33. So I still need to minus 4 times 33. Okay, since we can use calculator, remember? So I can just put all of this into the calculator. You are going to get 144 cm. Then remember to change it to meters because the question asks for meter. So 1.44. Abigail convert wrongly. Did you do the 1000 instead? See us, is this topic further in the term? Oh, it depends on your school. If your school haven't go through, then it's probably in term 2 because right now you just came back from your March holidays, right? So decimals, this is the decimals topic. Okay, so some of you might have already done decimals in school, some of you maybe not. Lost your calculator, then you gotta buy it. Huh? Ting say on circles also means you're a primary 6 student. Okay, KYZ say in 6 is the next answer. Okay, with the remaining ribbon, he used it to make some bows. Okay, each bow needed 22 cm of ribbon. What is the greatest number of ribbon Emmanuel could make? Let's see, we have 6. Sushi Monster Molly also say 6. Zero Chen say 7. Japap Yun say 6. Janet say 6. Jamil say 3 only. SSA 6 also. Evelyn, Yu Hao, Maya, Bob. Okay. Most of you say 6. Okay. Jia Hao ask how much to buy a new calculator. I don't know how much the calculator costs in your school. Just go to your bookshop and buy it. Okay. With the remaining ribbon, we already know is 144 centimeters, correct? And each ribbon is 22 cm of bow. So let's just divide by 22. Okay, if you divide by 22, 144 divided by 22, you get 6 holes. And then remainder. What's the remainder? Okay, 12 cm. Okay, the remainder is 12 cm. So this is what you need to look out for. This 12 cm, can I make another bow? Oh, Abigail first answer wrong, so second answer will be wrong also, yeah. That's true. I don't think the calculator is like $50, right? Okay, most of you said no, very good. So no ribbon, Okay, this 12 cm, no ribbon. So this means answer is just 6. Okay, not 7. You can't make a ribbon with 12 cm. You're going to fold halfway and find out you can't make a ribbon. Yes, Janet, 12 is too little. Nugget, wow, Nugget says the calculator is so much money, worth so much money. Okay, then you all say next is 60. Abigail says 60. Let's look at the next question. Oh, okay. Is this the last question? Yes. In a shop, masks are sold in boxes. Okay. A box of 6 adult masks costs $5 and a box of 8 children masks costs $6. Mrs. Neo bought an equal number of adult and children masks. And then she spent 32 more on the adult ones only. How many adult masks did she buy? Okay. Nugget say I can make a tiny ribbon with 12 centimeters. I mean, yeah, but in the question, Emmanuel wants to make the same ribbon. 19 say this also tested in your WA. Sushi Monster said this was in your school practice book and you know how to solve it. That's good. Yes, Madina, last question. We finish this question and we move on to Kahoot. 348, trust. What other answers do you all have? This is not guess and check. What concept is this? Abigail brought me to our next question. What concept is this? I see 384. Wait, let me write down. I see 384. I see 96. This is not gap and difference. Somebody guessed 30 also. Not assumption. I see 60 also. Sharing concept. Oh, sharing. I'm not sure whether you are learning it as sharing in school. This is called grouping. Okay, but I think maybe similar. Okay, this is grouping concept. Okay, so grouping concept for Mrs. Neo to buy an equal number of adult and children mask. Okay, here. Okay, let's read over here. Equal number of adult and children mask. Let's look at our mask. You need to buy a packet of 6. And then here you need to buy a packet of 8. Okay, to buy an equal number, it must be the lowest common multiple. Okay, that's how you can buy the same number. Okay, if not, if one packet is 6 and one packet is 8, that's not equal. Okay, so lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. Can you all tell me what it is? Just ignore the picture. Read the question. Slack Queen say 24. Thank you. LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. This means for our 6 adult mask, it will be 3 groups. Sorry, I wrote the wrong number. It will be 4 groups of 6 masks to give me 24. And for our children's mask, it will be 3 groups of 8 masks to give me 24. Okay, what this means is every time Mrs. Neo buy the mask, for it to be equal, she must buy 4 boxes of adult at a time. And she must also buy 3 boxes of children's masks at a time. If she, for example, only buy 2, okay, this means only got 12. If she only buy 2, means it's 16. 12 and 16 is not the same number. Understand? Okay, so that is where I get 4. Medina asked where I get 4 and 6 because I know the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24 already. Okay, so this means I must get 24. So since one packet got 6 masks, I need to buy 4 packets. Ignore the picture. It's okay. It's okay. Just read the question instead. Okay, so 4 packets of 6 masks gives me 24 masks. 3 packet of 8 masks give me 24 masks also. Okay, yes, Madina. So what times what give me 24? Okay, Madina, you are correct. Because I know that the lowest common multiple is 24. So it must be what times what equal 24. Okay, so this means for her to spend money, she must buy 4 boxes of adult mask at a time. So for the adult one, she must buy 4 packet of $5. Because she cannot buy 1 packet. She cannot buy 2 also. She must buy 24, remember? So 4 packets of $5 is $20. And for the children, can you all tell me what times what? Okay, for the children, what times what? $6 times 3. Very good. Okay, 1 packet is $6 and we buy 3 packet. So we spend $18. Okay. And then Madina asked why not 6 times 5? Because 6 times 5 is you cannot take the single mask and then times $5. It is 4 packet of mask times $5. Okay? So now the question also say she spent $32 more on the adult mask. Okay? $42 more on the adult mask. So one group how much more does she spend? She spends 20 minus 18. Okay, I just want to see in one group how much more does she spend. So she spends $2 more. And since the question said $32 more, I take 32 divided by 2. This gives me 16 groups. Okay, this is where some of you have different answers already. Okay, 16 groups. And now on our last step, how many masks did she buy? Okay, so it must be 16 groups of something. Can you all tell me what is that missing number? Zero Chen say 24. Medina asked why 32 divided by 2 because in a single group you spend $2 more for the adult mask. So I want to find out how many groups of these $2 more are there. So I take 32 divided by 2 and I find that there are 16 groups, means she buys 16 groups of things. Times 24, very good. Okay, times 24 because we already know she must buy 24 at a time. Okay, so 16 times 24 is 384. Okay, Nugget asked where I even get 32. It's in the question. She spent $32 more. Okay, can you see it? That's where the 32 came from. So those who get 384, you are correct. Oh, you don't have the paper. Okay. That's why you don't know the 32. Okay, yes, it is Kahoot time. Yvette and 19. Okay, are we done with this question? Yes, we are going to do Kahoot. Just want to make sure everybody's done with this question. Wait, how do you print the worksheet? Oh, we will provide the link to the soft copy of the worksheet, but you have to print it yourself if you want to do it at home for our TikTok worksheets. You print it yourself, but you can go to our link. Okay, when you open the AGrader profile on TikTok, you can see there's a link for you to click. Then when you click, they will show you to open the worksheet. Okay, now I'm going to move over to our Kahoot. Okay, I'm going to start the Kahoot and then I'll wait for you guys to join and then I'll start the game. Okay, please wait for the code. Okay, 658843. Okay, give me one moment. I'll adjust the screen size so y'all can see. Okay, y'all give me one moment. I adjust the screen size. Okay, there are 23 people now. You can't see the code. The code is 658843. Six five eight 843. Must you get first place? I think if you are on the podium, you get a gift. Okay, anybody else needs the code? 658843. Oh wow, there's so many of you today. There's 41 of you already. Okay, everyone's highlighter already. Why highlighter? Okay, I'm gonna wait for just 10 more seconds and I'm going to start. Five, four, three, two, one. I get $1 million if you got first place. Wonderful. I also hope I get $1 million. Okay, in this 758,910, the digit blank is in the 10,000s place. You all can all see the options, right? Okay, you all can see options, right? Okay, the number is 758,910. Yay! Most of you got it right. 38 of you got it right. Wonderful. Okay. The digit 5 is in the 10,000s place. A lot of you say easy, easy. Somebody say on accident. Okay. Be careful. XT is now first place. Oh, there's a Deborah. Okay. Is Deborah in chat? Did Deborah chat inside today? Okay. Grace asked what's the code. The code is, give me one moment, 658843. Express 6 out of 25 as a decimal. 6 out of 25. 6 out of 25 as a decimal. Don't put answers in the chat. Okay, don't put answers in the chat. Just click it. Okay, very good. 37 of you got yellow. 0.24. Okay, because 6 times 4 give me 24. Okay, and then 25 times 4 is 100. Okay, KYZ asked KYZ wants like more difficult Kahoot, but Kahoot is supposed to be slightly easier. If not, you need to take out calculator, paper, and start doing 5 steps, is it? A bit difficult, right? When we don't have a lot of time. Oh, Deborah went up to first. So Deborah is slightly faster than XT in pressing the answer. Okay, 加油. Jacob got correct. Yay. I think this is the 20th. Okay, question 3. What is 3/5 times 45? 3/5 times 45. Somebody is spamming the color. Win, I agree. It's hard to get first because there's so many people here. Yeah, the answer is blue. Okay, 3/5 times 45. 5 and 45 can be cross-divided to 1 and 9. Okay, so I'm just left with 3 times 9. And then 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, well done for those who got it correct. Let me see. Oh, here are our 5 places. Top 5. Deborah is still first. Okay. Somebody says, I can do it. I hope you can do it also. Question 4. 100 identical dresses cost $5,000 and 200 identical shirts cost $3,000. Okay, find the cost of one dress and one shirt. One dress and one shirt. Okay, I read again just in case you can't see. 100 identical dresses cost $5,000 and 200 identical shirts cost $3,000. Find the total cost of one dress and one shirt. See people spamming colors in the chat again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Most of you still got it right. Okay, not bad. $65. One shirt is $15. Okay, and one dress is $50. So 50 plus 15 is 65. Oh, somebody clicked wrongly. Oh, Nagis went up. Wow, this is a difficult question. There are 9 of you who lost the streak. Question 5. What is 30 divided by 8 as a mixed number in its simplest form? There are 4 more questions, Jiahao. Not Jiahao. Molly asked, how many more questions? 4 more. 30 divided by 8 as a mixed number. Divided by 8 as a mixed number. Very good. Most of you got it right. Also, 3 holes and 3 quarters. Wow, Deborah has been first since the second question. And then Molly is very, very close. Can you see the score difference? The score difference between Deborah and Molly is only 15. Okay, means they are actually super fast when they are clicking. Oh, some never managed to answer. Okay, find the area of the shaded part. Oh, it looks a bit blur, but it's a triangle in the center. Okay, you just need to find the base and the height and then multiply. Okay, remember? Pink, how can you say Molly has a slow reaction? She's literally second. Okay, she's literally second, so she's actually pretty fast for her to be second. Whoa, we got so many different answers here. So many different answers here. Let's take a look, okay? Our base is 4 centimeters, okay? And our height is also 4 centimeters. Yes, okay. Yeah, it's actually shaded, but now that I'm looking at it, it's not very clear, okay? But it's a triangle. The base is 4, the height is also 4. So half times 4 times 4 is 8. Okay, so those who got 8 is correct. Oh, now we got a new second page. Okay, question 7. 2 more questions. Find the area of the unshaded part. Just now we found the shaded one already, right? It is 8. Okay, just in case you forget. The shaded is 8. Shaded is 8. So what is unshaded? Whoa, it looks like a staircase. At least nobody's choosing 8. That's good. Okay, nobody chose 8. Okay, the area of the unshaded. So the whole square is 6 times 6, which is 36. Okay, so just take 36 minus 8. Okay, 36 minus 8 is 28. So the answer is the green one. Okay, no change in our top 5. We are on to our last question. Dania spent 2/7 of her money and she had she had $45 left. How much did she have at first? Dania spent 2/7 of her money and had $45 left. How much did she have at first? Okay, teacher asking for at first, okay? Oh, very good. Most of you got it right. Okay. The $45 is not 2 units. Okay. The $45 is 5 units because it's what is left. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. Then I must times 7. So I get 63. Jacob, guess. Why did you guess it? Okay, let's look at our podium. XT is third. Paige is second. And Deborah is first. Oh, Deborah managed to stay first from the start to the end. If you are in the top 3, you can screenshot. Okay, Sushi also say, Math Kahoot always so rage baiting. There's only one Kahoot, okay? So the top 3, you can screenshot it, okay? And then just send a message to our profile, okay? Then they will let you know what to do. Okay, so with that, we are done with our session today. Okay, I hope you have fun. It was too fast. I see. Okay, bye. Thank you for joining. Okay, I hope you guys have fun. Madina, I'll miss you. You mean the next like primary 5? The next primary 5 is about 4 weeks from now. Okay, yes. Those who have not eaten your dinner, please go and have some food. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye, Grace. Bye, Jacob. Bye, Debbie. Oh, is Debbie Deborah? Please do this again. Yes, we'll do this again. Yes, okay, go have dinner. Bye bye.